Hey there, creative minds! Today we are diving into the world of epic logos and how you can create one that boosts your brand's recognition. So, if you are ready to make a statement with your logo, stick around for some valuable insights. Now, we all know that a logo is more than just a symbol, it's a key ingredient in the recipe for business success. Did you know that 75% of consumers recognize a brand by its logo? Today, we are talking about epic logos, strategic creations that go beyond being mere icons. They reflect a brand's values, purpose, and how customers perceive them. Look at these iconic logos around us. They are not just pretty pictures, they tell a story, and they are essential for standing out in a market full of startups. But creating an epic logo goes beyond just a design. It's about staying relevant and competitive in a crowded space. Take, for instance, the recent change in the Air India logo by the Tata Group. It wasn't just about a new design, it was a strategic move to reflect the improvements in their services, providing a seamless experience to their customers. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty of creating your own epic logo. It's not an easy process, but we'll break it down for you. Start by checking out logo making websites like BrandCrowd, TurboLogo, or others that suit your needs. Explore their pre-designed templates or themes. They offer a variety of shapes and styles to choose from. Pick a template you love and customize it according to your brand's needs. You can adjust colors, themes, and more. Once you are satisfied, download your logo in the right format. It's that simple. Now, where can you find these epic logo makers? Let's check out some of the best platforms out there. Design Evo, an easy-to-use platform with hassle-free customization options. BrandCrowd, a powerful design tool offering stylish logos with just a click. TurboLogo, a platform with fresh and trendy logos updated with the latest design trends. 99 Designs, a hub for professional designer logos with customization options. Logo AI, an AI-powered logo designer that tailors logos based on your needs. Your logo is your brand's identity, so don't take it lightly. Creating an epic logo isn't rocket science, but it requires an understanding of your brand's mission and the quality of your work you bring to the table. If you want a logo that speaks volumes about your brand, feel free to reach out. We at Busy Bee Design help startups and brands create logos that truly represent them. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining us today.